Greetings everyone, I bring you another strategy for trading short term, in this case with time frame of 15 seconds. I'm going to analyze with the time frame of 15 seconds. I'm going to look at the classes and we'll set this time frame. We are going to use Bollinger Bands indicator, guys, just one indicator, okay? Bollinger Bands are widely used because they give me a kind of a channel and they always give me strategy. 10 on period, 2 on deviation. Alright, that's going to be the setting. Okay, let's go to the style and leave that. If you want to copy that, feel free. In my case, we could remove the background and get it away. I'm going to start with $17. I'm going to use intercompose for time for 30 seconds. The expiration time. Like our strategy, guys, we look for a trend and we see how the price is behaving, and based on that, we're going to enter. Generally, Bollinger Bands is simple. If the price break upwards from the average, I enter upward. And when the price break downward, I enter downward. Of course, I'm going to try the trade with the trend. If I go against, the might lose, but I'm still going to try with low amount so you can see how it works. Against, it could always be win, but I always going to look for the first entry and have then going to take it and explain it. Okay. For the start, he's going to use the expiration time, 30 seconds on that pair, but look at the price is reaching the channel below. I'm going to try to wait for the price rebound and enter short. Let's see for 3, 2, 1, boom. I enter short in the pair. For years, he's saved at favorite because his short is not long. If I see that it's going up, yes, but look at the movement. The movement, there has been a strong correction. This 1 minute candle is telling me that the price is falling sharply. And why does the low calm the price up, guys? The average, what an average is, indicators loud to me, and there is indicated something to me. And we got this with the first win, 30 seconds payoff. The average is already telling me that it's running out of the 210, okay? The trend of the assets has been exhausted and indicated for entry. I can look for another entry, guys. I'm going to take this with amount of $32. I'm right now. That's all that I have, okay? And just open that on Cardinal to OTC. Look at the big movement that generated by the wave and look at careful where the average is breaking. There is compression of the price where the rejects and practically tell me the price is going to continue to rise, okay? We're going to 15 seconds on Bollinger Bands on generator, and here's the break in the range and marking me up. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The prices stay up and making profits. Look at that, guys. Almost $60 of net profits. What has happened to the price is the middle, guys. This is in the middle of this band. It depends. If they see there is a correction, these bands are really going to be of much use when you decide to break in one direction, as you do here. Observe, look at this whole area. It was like it can't resist, and then that's this breakout. The price goes up and there's a fast time. There is not to say 30 seconds. Don't expect that to know. That's 2 minutes, 1 minute, no, because it might turn around. And no, this case, this band works and it right. Okay? If it's very close, you still go in. For example, I'm going up very fast and the bands are right very high. I avoid going here because I don't know what its point is going to slow down. It's getting complicated, but when that range is more like to go up. Of course, doesn't mean that it can fail here. Here it can win, but it's not a concept. Okay, I enter because it broke the average, but it's confirmed that it entered on the right because it breaks this average and it's breaking the range, and movement tells me the same thing. That's just to say, well, I'm more or less confirming 30 seconds on that. Okay, So I have two correct calls. The next amount is $6. I'm going to look for a third entry, and when I have it, going to take it to explain it. Upward entry on Euro JPY. That's the third entry, guys. Look at this movement is marking May. Well, the entry is above our 30-20 period on movement average. 15 seconds again, okay, because it is rejecting average, and 30 second expiration time. Well, although the cruise reacts quickly here, it may lose it. Let's see while they turn it quickly win on the heart attack. Oh my god, man, almost there. And it got a win on this. I was going to lose it. I thought it. But look, the trend continued upward. I clearly going with the trend. The price is broken the average. Here at test, I entered the bases this 15 seconds. I was confirmed that. Reacting the average is going up, position 1 on this. Let's see if I can get this account up at least to 200. And with that, I'll be happy. I'm going to look for on the last entry to see if I can get the fourth level compound interest, and wow, I show you what this end this video. The simple average interest. Yes, if the trend is clear and I go against the trend, then that's where it's going to lose. So be careful with that, and well, to see something else this candle. If it's a no normal, here I could wait for that, but have to see why. Look where the entry would be. I would have to wait for this breakthrough and the last this, but well, would be one not for an explanation, guys. Okay, I'm going to look for a new last entry. I want to have it's going to explain it that. And we got on this all the USD we just use the sell button. Okay.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
That's the price. It is ranging breaks sharply downwards, and we'll look position. That's pretty nice. Okay. And 10 seconds remaining for that for us get our 4 position on this one. And see the price compressed at random the breaking out loud something like that. Oh my god, and look at this, guys, $213, okay, from $17 to $214. This indicator which is very operation good. That's, and look at that. You just have to know how to interpret this. I say it's simple. Follow the trend. Observe very careful what the price is doing. I don't get ahead of it. It's not that here the rejection. I'm going to enter. No, I always try to look for the trend. If I go against it, it's the win. I don't try anything because I might lose it, probably losing this higher. So that's all this video, 213.88 cents. Okay, I made this video for to see, guys, 15 seconds on that 30-second time frame, but if you want to use 1 minute, and the session of the channel, it's have a half day, guys. So write your comments, okay, write your opinion about this video, about this strategy. That's very important to me. I really appreciate that. Okay, thank you so much for watching this until the end. Okay, and let's go together, guys. I like to see you on the next live session, on the next video, and see you on the next session. Okay, have a good day, guys. Good profits, good operation for you. Bye bye.